Racing just started with his spring singer. Break quickly to start rushing about the outside. His striker symbol. Then down on the inside. Thundermax. Yanino Yana is marked in between horses. Comes Private Thoughts. Then next online Wings of Love. Then followed by Isapa Calabarzon. Quick Hunter. Third more. Then next online is Global Warrior. While Misty Loya is the only trailer by about 20 lengths of the leader, racing down the backstretch with Spring Singer on its favorite position as the pace setter, enjoying a 10 lengths lead, and in second is Striker Symbol, and in third comes Thundermax is marked Prior Thoughts. Iyanang Calabarzon comes next, then followed by Quick Hunter, Wings of Love, third more, then down the inside isa pa, Misty Loy second last, while Global Warrior now racing in 13th. Last 400 meters of the race is Spring Singer, a Striker Symbols now moving upon the outside to take the lead. We have Strikers, the Symbols by length and a half, and in second is Spring Singer as they swing for home. Is Strikers Symbol by about 2 lengths, and in second is marked Thundermax Yanino Yana. Last 75 meters is Striker Symbol followed by Smart Kid, and finally Striker Symbol. Smart Kid, then comes Yanino Yana, Thundermax, Third More, and Private Thoughts.
Okay, thank you so much Mr. Christopher Ora sa ating pong race number 1 ng ating pong unofficial winner Bayang Karinista entry number